Probe underway into murders of two teen boys in Stony Hill. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Major Investigation Division is probing the murder of two teenagers on Thursday in the Stony Hill St. Andrew area. Dead are 16-year-old Nikon Whiteley and 14-year-old Juman Henry. Reports are that at around 11:15 p.m., residents along Erie Castle Main Road in Stony Hill heard loud explosion and alerted the police. Upon their arrival, the two boys were seen suffering from what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital where they died while undergoing treatment. No motive has yet been established for the double murder. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.